Hi, I'm Jay of Untap. Our vision is a world where we can detect early increases in viral risk. We're a company working on a tool which will provide continuous monitoring data to keep communities safe, and we do that by using PCR-type technology on wastewater, which is a community-scale anonymous health monitoring resource. Our solution is to essentially automate the workflow and deliver it on-site for remote monitoring. We participated in the Stage 2 event in Germany, and we were fortunate enough to win a number of awards, included the opportunity to come and participate as part of the Siemens Xcelerator bootcamp. It's been lovely to meet everyone from Siemens, to learn more about the efforts Siemens are making to encourage entrepreneurship. A really lovely bootcamp to both network and work alongside Siemens, but also meeting the other startups who all have quite a different journey and background in different scales, different stages of product development pipeline for business model development.
My name is Robert. We as a company strive to make last mile deliveries of groceries more sustainable and more consumer friendly. I buy quite a lot of groceries with home deliveries, but I thought that the experience wasn't as good as it could have been. The whole thing about sitting around and waiting for the delivery person destroyed a large part of the experience. Home delivery, in our view, is an outdated, expensive, and not very consumer-friendly alternative. Boxy has developed a refrigerated box that we place inside the entrance of multifamily homes, and that combined with our proprietary entrance control solution. By doing it this way, we can lower emissions and reduce cost of the freight itself. We were selected by Siemens as one of the companies to be able to participate in this bootcamp. We went through Mendix, which is a low-code software, and I think that is definitely something that we can use, especially for smaller applications where we just need to have something up and running quickly.
My name is Hakan of a London-based startup company called Animal. Our vision is to minimize the language barrier we have with our dogs. Our product is a wearable device that can continuously and accurately acquire health data and well-being data from dogs. We see our pets as part of our family, and knowing that our pets are doing well will have a big impact on our own well-being. We were being invited by Siemens for the bootcamp. I came here and I met the team, I met two other startups. I've seen that it's a very friendly environment, a very informal environment. And obviously we are developing a product, and product development needs to be accelerated, needs to be facilitated, and Siemens does provide a lot of very interesting tools. I quite enjoyed using Solid Edge, and I did find it quite easy to use, quite inspiring to use. We have state-of-the-art sensors, and at this stage our aim is to bring those sensor elements together within a smart harness, and to be able to do that we do need tools like Solid Edge.
Our Siemens Accelerator for Startup program empowers entrepreneurs to make an impact on the world by providing them with cutting-edge tools and resources to help them on their journey from digitalization to realization.